Picky eater ba ang aso mo? Hey guys, Doc Ara here. So here are some ways or tips on how to deal with a picky dog. First tip is to exercise or walk your dog before feeding them. Kasi minsan kailangan lang nila ng extra push or extra release ng energy para magutom sila. Fix or establish a routine. So, dapat meron kayong schedule like morning, lunch, dinner, no free feeding. So, wag niyong hayaan na may pagkain sa bowl nila the whole day kasi dito magsisimula na magiging picky talaga sila. Dapat may time na merong food sa bowl nila. 15 to 20 minutes, nandito na yung pagkain nila sa bowl, then tanggalin nyo na agad. Para hindi sila magsawa or mag-isip na, ay okay, may pagkain naman ako dyan, pwede ko siya balikan. So, di ko na muna kakainin. Maiwasan yung ganitong behavior ng dogs nyo. Try to make the food appealing. Temporarily lang to You can warm the food, or pwede kayo magbigay ng wet food. For example, itong Muchi Dog Fuzzy and Beauty, na ocean fish and wala siyang chicken. So, it contains omega-3, good for their coat, pumpkin to support immunity, and yung digestive system nila. It also has collagen, salmon oil, and zinc that help support healthy skin and coat. Maraming dogs rin actually ay allergic sa chicken. So this is one wet food alternative that add this or top this to their food or ito mismo yung wet food nila para ma-entice naman sila sa pagkain. Limitahan ng treats. Ay nako, sino mga fur parents ang nagbibigay ng treats palagi sa mga pets nila? Huwag na huwag niyong bibigyan agad ng treats pagka kumakain ng dog food or in between meals kasi after nun, talagang pipiliin nila yung treats. So, technically, disiplina ng fur parent at saka fur baby rin to. But then again, if napansin nyo, nakakaiba na talaga yung behavior nila, na talaga yung appetite nila, then it's better to consult your veterinarian na. Guys, if you have other concerns regarding your picky eater dogs, don't forget to consult your veterinarian.